I don't own the rights to this music. I own the rights to this message. This is Senator Ben Cardin. In 2007, I blew the whistle on the criminality in the courts, the corruption in the courts. Y'all read the book, The New Face of Old Jim Crow? You seen the movie, The 13th Amendment? Well, I was a lab rat. I showed the corruption in the courts since 1986, N62528. If Governor Blagojevich can go to jail, you got members of the Democratic Party who can go to jail too. Westmore got this information. Westmore, Ivan Bates, the Democratic Party. That's Senator Ben Cardin, all right? And Ben Cardin had that in 2007. That's my store on Falls Road. That's my home on 1402 Lochner. On February the 7th, 2011, I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland. Facebook. All right? Response requested. That's Senator Cardin. And that's Frank Conway, the office of the clerk of Baltimore City. He destroyed evidence. That's Senator Ben Cardin. That's a whistleblower act and a federal investigation publicly requested. That's certified mailing. Senator Cardin's got that certified mailing. That's Amnesty International. That's Amnesty International. That's 2014. I'm getting ready to send all this information to Amnesty International. Dwayne Shorty Davis is a Baltimore activist. He's been involved in issues including corruption in the judicial system, police brutality, and political transparency in the prison industry, the military-industrial complex. His program, Shorties, is a self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. All right? He is finally referred to as Shut 'em Down Shorty. All right? Like I said, that's Amnesty International. And that's the Baltimore Sun. This is 2019. That's the Department of Justice on Charles Street, all right? And that's Johnny Oleski asking the Department of Justice to investigate my kidnapping. I was kidnapped by the state. I need to be exonerated for all my charges. I was making a documentary. Ain't no law against making a documentary. Right here, release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley, parole and probation, state circle. All right, certified mail receipt. And that's me. I'm the cook in Baltimore. File the Freedom of Information Act and get all this material. That's me, 1402 Lochner, 2009. Mailing address, Chicago, Illinois, WVO1. You see who got that? TV1, Cable 1. Dear Mr. Davis, enclosed you will find a copy of the following motion to withdraw your guilty plea. I withdrew my guilty plea and I filed for a trial. I never got a trial. I was held 186 days illegally. It's my anniversary. I was kidnapped in the state of Maryland and Illinois for making a documentary. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. The documentary was about the Democratic Party and the money you make off of black bodies. I'm a whistleblower, and I want a federal investigation. Senator Cardin, and you holding that information. See the date? January 2008, 2012. That's how long you've been sitting on this. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey, public defender. My public defender participated in that fraud. I never got a trial. My public defender participated in destroying evidence in Illinois and in Maryland. I never got a trial. We talking about the courts and the corruption in the courts. We talking about the media and the role they play in misinformation. And we talking about Senator Ben Cardin. My file is at the Department of Justice. I need a trial. I need a trial. You feel me? I need a trial, Governor Moore.